has grown internationally, and so has its warehouses in Canada, US, and Mexico. We have strategically planned our bases to be across the country and the top and bottom of North America to best serve our partners. Our warehouse team works really hard to make sure that our customers get what they want and shipped quickly. To ensure this, we have new technology for faster and more accurate shipping. That's why our warehouse team says there's no minimum or maximum order. This is our freight area, and every day we ship hundreds of orders to our customers, which are interior designers and online dealers, etc. This is the result of a hard working day for the warehouse team, and these are all the shipments that are ready. Alright guys, I'm going to try driving around in the warehouse. They tell me it's not as dangerous as it seems, but anyways, this has been your insider's view of a day in the life of the warehouse. Thank you so much for joining us, and thank you to our ZUO family.
Gracias.